Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Udaipur location. It is from Rajasthan. Let's get into the topic without any delay. Firstly, there is a job opening for e-commerce associate position from Sevak. So it is located in Udaipur, Rajasthan. So it is for only fresher candidates, interested candidates. To know more about this job vacancy, you can approach them with the given two phone numbers, or else you can send your resumes to the provided email ID. The number is first number 029429800022. Second number 9145975389. There is a job vacancy for digital marketing intern position from Webseminar Infotech. It is located in Udaipur, Rajasthan. They are looking for digital marketing trainees who are willing to enhance their career in the field of online marketing like SEO, SMM, etc. So you please check with the job responsibilities and about the job description provided, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this job position. The number is 9799854560. Next, there is a job vacancy for digital marketing intern position from Seva. It is located in Udaipur, Rajasthan. Coming to qualification details for this position, you should be a graduate or undergraduate degree, and you should be having foundational marketing skills, excellent English language skills, both verbal and written, very good command over Microsoft Office, self-driven, highly motivated and quick learner, strong organizational time management and analytical skills, and ability to think creatively, strategically to identify and resolve problems, ability to work independently and as a part of team. Prior experience with digital marketing and online content development is a plus. So this is about the qualification details. You please check with this, and you can also approach them with the given two phone numbers for detailed information about this job position, and you can also send your resume to the provided email ID. First one, the number is 029429800022. Second one, 9145975389. Next, there is a job vacancy for content writer intern. It is from N Dimensions Studio located in Udaipur, Rajasthan. And this is about the job summary. You please go through it once. Coming to responsibilities and duties, writing SEO friendly blogs, creative caption for social media posts, website content. So these are the responsibilities for this position. Coming to key skills, the candidate should be done graduate in any stream. So these are the qualification details. You please check with this, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information about this position. The number is 9636835434. Next, there is a job vacancy for assistant merchandiser position from IEO Design Company Private Limited located in Udaipur, Rajasthan. So they are going to offer a salary is 20,000 rupees per month for this position, and this is about the job description. You please go through it once, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for more details. The number is 7073473300. Next, there is a job vacancy for Customer Relationship Officer CRO position. It is from Seva. It is located in Udaipur, Rajasthan. So they are going to offer a salary range between minimum 10,000 to maximum 30,000 rupees per month. And coming to qualification details, you should be having experience in handling customer service and the ability to answer customer queries like via calls, emails, and live chats proficiency. So, confident and customer centric approach towards customer queries. So, excellent verbal and written communication skills are needed. Ability to maintain calm under pressure and efficiency and organizational skills are needed for this position. Administrative skills are necessary. So you please check with the qualifications and responsibilities mentioned here for this position, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for more details about this position. The number is 9145975389. Next, there is a job opening for Customer Relationship Executive CRO position. Sorry, CRE position. It is from Seva. It is located in Udaipur, Rajasthan. So these are the qualification details, just like before job. So you please check with the qualifications provided here, and you can also approach them with the given phone numbers, and or else you can send your resume to the provided email ID. First number 029429800022. Second one 9145975389. Next, there are vacancies available from IIMU, Indian Institute of Management, Udaipur. So it is hiring for the position of placement officer located in Udaipur, Rajasthan. So for this one vacancy is available for this post. Salary is not disclosed. Education qualification will be MBA or PGDM. So 2 to 3 years of experience is required to apply for this position. So you can apply on before 15th March 2021 for this position. So you can also check in the website link for detailed information like selection procedure and application procedure for this job notification. Next, there is a job vacancy for they are hiring for a group of vacancies like content writing position, WordPress developers, and Laravel developers, core PHP freshers, React Native, and Flutter interns. So they are hiring for all these positions. The company is WebSynor Infotech. So this company is hiring for all these positions. So interested candidates, you please check with the details provided here, and you can also um, approach them with the given phone number, that is 9799854560. You please check with the note given here. Fresher candidates from both IT and non-IT stream can also eligible to apply for these positions. You please check with the information provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for graphic designer position from IEO Design Company Private Limited. It is located in Udaipur, Rajasthan. So they are going to offer a salary range between 15,000 to 22,000 rupees per month, and these are the job responsibilities for graphic designer. You please go through it once, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for further details about this position. The number is 7073473300. Next, there is a job vacancy for website designer position from Webtech Softwares Private Limited, located in Udaipur, Rajasthan. They are going to offer a salary range between 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month for this position, and for experienced candidates, two vacancies are available for this position. You should be having these skills mentioned here, and you please check with the responsibilities and the skills provided here, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for more details. The number is 9829124253. Next, there is a job vacancy for female sales counselor position. It is from Art Skin and Fitness, Udaipur. So they are going to offer a salary range between 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month for this position. And coming to responsibilities, you should be responsible for business generation by generating leads, cold calling and set up meetings with potential clients, maintains relationships with the clients by providing support information and guidance. So these are about job responsibilities. You can check here, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for further details about this position. The number is 9974882119. Next, there is a job vacancy for staff nurse position from Indira IVF Hospital. It is located in Udaipur, Rajasthan. So this is about the job description. You can please go through it once, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for further details about this position. The number is 0294666628. So that's it in this video, guys. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.